Hello everyone, welcome back. In this lesson, we're going to talk about string repetition. So repeating a string multiple times using star operator or multiplication sign, okay? So I'm having the first string or variable called hi. And please note that there is one space after hi here, okay? And I'm having the new variable being assigned the name of my first variable word times 3, okay? Then I'm printing out my repeated word. I'm going to explain one more time. I'm initializing the word variable and it's hi, it's a string. I'm initializing my second variable to be word times 3, and word was my first variable, which was a string, okay? And in the third line, I am printing out my second variable, which is repeated words. So when I run, I see hi with one space, hi space, and hi, okay? So if I don't have this space, we see that they are very close to each other, as you see in this example here. So I consider this hi, so it is going to put space before printing out the next one. So this is how basically we can have a string repetition in Python. It's very easy. So if you want to have 4 repetition, you basically put 4 here, 5 here. So if I put 5 and I compile, we see 5 highs being printed in the output. Thank you for watching.